Yes, it's working. Your hands. Yes, exactly. Look to the window. Camera. Yes. Perfect. We got it. Can I eat now?
Mr. Indonesia.
Yeah, hello.
So the question for
Yeah?
today, how do you stay in shape?
Oh, how do I stay in shape? I work out regularly. It's about 4 to 5 times a week, and also I also eat healthy, and I avoid excess salt, sugar, and also fat. That's how I stay in shape.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, terima
How are
kasih.
you enjoying Poland?
Yeah, Poland is so great. Like it was cold. It was different from Indonesia, because we only have summer. But yeah, it's so very exciting, and I'm so excited to meet our contestants. They're nice. They're friendly. Terima kasih.